Palsy 10, back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a bit of kicking, so rugby related, finally. Also, just have to say before we start any of this, thank you so much for all the support in the last video. I know it's not a lot, but it's a lot for me. About 250 plus views, something like that. Was not expecting that. I was expecting like 10 views minimum, but yeah, it turns out I've done a lot better. So as you can tell right now, I'm not actually on the rugby pitch. I'm in a container. Rugby pitch is out there, but I thought I'd film the intro there because you might be able to hear me better out there. I haven't actually got my microphone today, so it's going to be a little quieter than usual. But hopefully you'll be able to film me. Hope you'll be able to hear me. Sorry, not film me. Whilst I'm out on the rugby pitch doing the kick in. So, bit of accuracy. It's going to be a lot of conversions. Is the main thing today. It's basically, those who don't know, when you score a try in rugby, which is basically like scoring a goal in football, you have to kick it through the posts on a thing called a kick-in tee. I'll show you once I get out there. That's the first thing I'll be doing. So we'll be doing accuracy training with that. So on the sideline, on the try line, sorry, and the 5 metre line, kicking at the posts. What else? Like just straight kicks, side on kicks, all of that. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Start off with 22 metre kicks straight, middle post. Probably the most simple kick conversion you'll ever do in rugby. Those of you do it or just watching. Yeah, literally should get, I'm gonna have 3 attempts at each. Should get all of these. Not from the side on ones, they're a bit harder, but this middle one should get all 3. No, I'm not faking any of it. This is gonna be full 3 attempts. I'm not gonna edit out of it, so you can't call me fake. So if I do miss them, I will be very embarrassed. But I shouldn't. So let's go. In front of the 22 because this is how far I think the game. Sometimes I go back to 22 again because they're like mental fast. It's like 4 or 5 minutes in front of the 22. I'll get all of these quickly. Try to do this as fast as I can. Just do it. Alright, quickly. You know what? I got that, but I was very, very close not to hitting the post. But next one, yeah, I should, like I said, I should not be missing any of these. And I have missed these in the game before, and this is the worst. Like if you miss a kick in the game, especially a straight one, you get so much grief for it. It's mental. Last one. Oh, it's very wonky actually. Oh my god. Oh, our heart is racing. Thought I nearly missed that last one. But I didn't. My phone is unbelievably muddy. But I didn't miss that. 3 out of 3 for the straight one. Now we're going to go to the, facing the post, we're going to go to the left. About 15, is it? Like 20 metres in from the sideline. So a bit harder, but again, probably should be making all of these. Okay, so 20 metres in from the sideline. Now, again, 20. Is it 18 metres back from the try line? So about 4 metres again in front of the 23. I'm speaking too much, I'll just kick. made that one, but it's very fakey if you saw. Oh no. Well, at least now I'm not faking it. But I should have definitely got that. Should have got all three. Only got 2 out of 3, but I'm not mad. At least I got a majority. Now we're not gonna do the sidelines. I mean, I might have one kick. I don't want this to be the longest video in the world because I don't want my storage to go. We'll have one kick just to show you how I kick from the sidelines, or like 5 meters in from the sidelines. Because I know if I don't, some of you will want me to. But we're gonna go to the other 20 meters in from the sideline, the other side basically, right side. Quick little thing. Sorry that it's vertical. Like when filming the kicks, I just can't do it horizontal because else you won't be able to, you just see the grass. You won't really be able to see the actual much of the post. So sorry about that. In the video it won't look the best, but yeah, that's all I can really do. But this is now the 20 meters in from the right side. I'll show you, I'll pop up little images where it's from on the pitch, so you can see exactly. But should get 3 out of 3 in this, hopefully. Realistically, should get 3 out of 3 here. Did say that on the last one, I only got 2, so we don't know what's Uno. Yeah, I did take French. It's getting extremely wet. So, as I said, I'm hopefully not gonna do this video for too long. We're gonna do some accuracy now. I can't be asked to do the sides because I know I'm probably not gonna make them. But yeah, we'll go for accuracy training now. So on the try line, kicking out the post, trying to hit the posts. Yeah. Okay, so I've got a little trick for this. I'm not going to tell everyone. I mean, you can probably see. I don't know if you can see. But basically, I've got a trick that kind of helps. You know what? That's actually not like, that may have looked shit because of what I'm trying to do. And it was, because it went nowhere near the post, but it went within 5 metres of the post, which I'm aiming to do, so it was alright. It's like, again, like, I didn't get it at the post, or through the post, but I got it within 5 metres, so. Oh, okay, that was that one. That one right there was like horrible. Okay, that last one. That's what I didn't want to do. Absolutely slice it. But we're gonna go for the other side now, and then we're gonna go 5 metres from the trial. My phone is soaking. But yeah, this is all I'm gonna do for the last bit of the video. Like I said, it's not gonna be the longest video in the world, but it's because it's chucking it down, and I want to go in, if I'm being honest. That was a perfect, sorry about this, that was a perfect demonstration of how you do it. I've just thought, I'm going to scrap the idea of I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to do at the end of every kick video, which is, I'm going to call it mystery ball. So, I'll explain in a minute, but we'll finish this off and then I'll tell you. That was pretty bad, I'm going to admit. But it went within 5 metres, so it's alright. Pretty good. That's pretty much what I want to do every time. And I haven't been doing that every time, but you know. Oh, you know what? I was about to say that last one was really bad, but actually, it was one of the better ones. So, like I said, now we're going to move on to the last thing. I'm going to scrap going 5 metres from the try line and doing that basically same thing. And we're going to move on to mystery ball. So, how this works is I'm going to kick a ball out of hand, not look where it goes, kick 3 of them randomly, and not look where they go, and kick where the balls land. So I'm going to kick them out of hand now. I'm going to try and look at the camera and kick it. Okay, that's gone. I'm not looking where it is. Where's the other one? There it is. This is so awkward, but here we go. Don't know where it's gone. It can go 5 metres from the post. It can go 40 metres from the post. But try and go left. Where have they gone? Oh no. That last one bounced. Okay, these two, look, we've got 2 decent placed, okay? Then we come over here, we've got this one on the 5 metre line. I have to kick from there off the tee. So, I mean, we're gonna have to do it, aren't we? So let's go. Okay, ball's here. I'm going to slide it, put the key there. Oh no. Okay, this is horrible. This is going to be, like, tight. Alright, we'll give it a go. Done it. That is 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Let's go on to the next 2 over there. These ones should be, I should get 3 out of 3 here. That one was just the one I was scared of. But, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's very wet up there now, and it's actually getting dark, believe it or not, when it's only like 4 o'clock, I think. But thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing a lot more kicking up here. That is probably my favourite part of rugby, kicking. Yeah, it's been good, I think. I've enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Got 3 out of 3 on that mystery ball. Although it will get a lot harder because I'm going to do that after every rugby video. Most rugby videos anyway, when I'm up here. And I've done it before and it's had been like, I've kicked the ball, it's gone 40 metres back and it's like really hard to kick. And it's gone like really far to the sideline. Literally wherever it lands, I have to kick it from there. So it can get really hard. That was actually really nice that time. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And quick update on how my season's going. We have come off a massive win last Sunday. It's kind of Friday, so last Sunday we came off a massive win against Plymouth Albion. No, definitely not them. They're like a really good team. Plymouth Argyle, sorry. Down at Plymouth, 55-7, massive win. That was great. Great day. But I haven't got a game this Sunday, so I'm not going to do a match day video. But I have got a massive one coming up 2 weeks against South Molton, and that is a cup game. So that's second cup game. We've won our first one, so we're currently 3 wins, 2 losses in the season. And I'm gonna have to switch around my hands, it's killing me. And yeah, it's been a good start to the season, really. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.